At Airbus, we fly new technologies off the ground. You can be who you want to be. We're breaking down barriers, challenging biases. You can switch it up. From home to factory, from the production line to the final assembly line, from the final assembly line to the engineering office, from managing projects to leading the executive board of management. From dreams to designs. From designs to skies. Our women make great things happen every day. Accelerate equity in the workplace worldwide. What are you waiting for? Make your switch today.